In the past few days, I've managed to make over $350 per day using a brand new strategy. And in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how I've managed to do that. I'm going to show you 1, how I use ChatGPT to come up with the idea, 2, how I use Canva to come up with my designs, and 3, how I utilize the power of affiliate marketing along with Instagram new Threads app to make ridiculous money. If this sounds fascinating to you, let's head over to my computer screen so that I can show you step by step how this was done. Now, what you want to do, head over to audible.com. You will see that you can get 30 days for free. And what that does, if you become an affiliate for Audible and get somebody to sign up, you'll be able to make money, right? And they'll be able to use and listen Audible books for 30 days for free. Now, you can easily find the affiliate program here for Audible, or you can just simply type in Google and you'd be able to find Audible affiliate program website. And once you do that, you'll be greeted with a page like this. You just click become an affiliate. And here you can find the details. You can go through it and read much more about the affiliate program. But here you can see, this is the important part, the standard fee structure, right? You can see that if somebody registers with audible.com for the 30 days free trial, you get $5. Now guys, can you imagine if you get 100 people to sign up for this? You make $500 right there, pretty easy. Now guys, as you can see, I'm in ChatGPT here, and I'm gonna just run through this simple command that I've asked ChatGPT to come up with the idea. Now I've asked ChatGPT to give me a list of 10 self-help books. And as you can see, it runs through and give me a list of 10 books. Now guys, these books are most likely on Audible. Then I go ahead and I ask ChatGPT again, what are these books about? And it gives me some information about the books, right? Again, I've asked ChatGPT, list me one important lesson from each book. And it go ahead and it give me, again, more information about the books. Next thing I've asked ChatGPT, write me one Instagram post for each of these books. Then it gives me the 10 posts, guys. And look at that. Easy, easy. Now, once I have these 10 posts, right, written by ChatGPT, all I did was just head over to canva.com and create this. Now, I've created this from scratch, but you don't have to. You can always head over to some of the templates, the Instagram templates in Canva, and choose something that you like. But in this case, I created something from scratch. All I did is just went over it and just take the title, make some colors, take the details that was provided to me, and just write, get this book for free, see the link in my bio. You hear that? See the link in my bio. So what that means, whenever I register now and finally get accepted within the Audible affiliate program, I will add my link to get 30 days for free with Audible in my description. And what's gonna happen? You will be able to make some money. Whenever somebody sign up for the 30-day trial, you will make $5 off each person's, right? And that's all there is to it. Once you're finished creating your Canva design, all you need to do is just head over to your app store and search for Instagram Threads app, or just simply type Threads app. You'll find the application, and all you need to do is install it. It will ask you to log in with your Instagram account because they're connected, and all you need to do is just start making posts with your designs and your affiliate link. Guys, that's all there is to it. If you find some value in this video, go ahead, give this video a like, and let us know in the comments below. If you are not yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead, subscribe to the channel to see much more videos coming out every week like this one.